On his head!
On his head!
Dunk!
Bro, what are you doing, bro? Move gets it. Goes in. Still does not go. You can see the frustration on his face. Wally gets blocked. Doesn't go. Back to Maroof. Free. He's on Wally's team. Aryan on the ground. Sammy to Maroof.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Spins, shoots, and it goes. Shoots. Not a good air ball.
Hello,
Truly down by what he has done.
Come on, Aryan. Life is Roblox.
It's been a long day without you, my friend.
Nice take. Now backward. Oh my goodness.
Oh! So Wally goes to the shot. That is not our commissioner. What? Great pass. Simon with the shot. Over the backboard.
What is it?
Oh, shut the f. So dumb, bro. I promise you, bro.
Oh my god!
Marv with the ball. And Marv with the shoot.
Maroof's magic right
10.
here. Maroof's magic right here.
6, 5, 4,
And he didn't pull up.
3, 2,
Any more
1. Game's over.